Hello travelers, I'm Kimi and I'm Kari, and today we are headed to Epcot for Christmas, so let's go! Good morning, it is Christmas morning. We are at Art of Animation and we are going to take the Skyliner over to Epcot this morning, and it is pretty chilly. Yesterday was in the 80s and today's in the 40s, so it's a bit chillier today. And here are today's hours. Alright, so we're about to head on the gondolas. They said we can ride over from Art of Animation to Caribbean Beach, but then the Skyliner won't open to Epcot till 9, but we're gonna go ahead and go so we can get in that line. And let's go. 3. Merry Christmas from the Skyliner.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Alright, so we just rode the Skyliner from Art of Animation. We're here waiting in line at Caribbean Beach. We're going to open up the Epcot line at 9. We got here about 8:15, and the Epcot Skyliner is over there, but they're starting the line right here, and we're third in line. And Epcot opens at 10 today. Okay, so it's 8:35, and they are bringing us in the line for Epcot. Alright, it's 8:50, and we're getting ready to get on. Looks like we're going to get the purple Sully one. Yay! Thank you! We've got Sully! Yay! It's a little windy in the Skyliner, so we're just rocking here. Yes?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are traveling to Epcot today, thank you for flying with us. Por favor.
But that was very good. Very good.
Thank you! Alright. It is 9:20 and we are in the park. The park officially opens at 10, and we are going to make our way to Test Track. Actually, we've never even been in on this side before, so it's different for us. Alright, we are here at Test Track. Woohoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a Christmas miracle. We have now opened Test Track and we are prepared. You can thank your buddy Raymond down here in the design studio for this Christmas gift. Test Track is ready for you folks, and we hope you enjoy your time out there. Thank you.
Alright, it's 9:45 and we're getting on Test Track. It's 9:50 and we are all done with Test Track, and we're gonna go ahead to Frozen. Coming out of Test Track here, and the line's out the door already, and we're already finished. Alright, next up is Frozen. Looks like a walk-on. Woohoo! Alright, so we're on Frozen, and I did not know that there was glass.
Come on, let's go and play. Everyone is snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Sven's going. I'm going. It'll be so beautiful. See you there. The consequences are both true and false.
They were born ready. For the first time in
Alright guys, so now we're in Norway and we're at the Gods of Vikings.
Of poetry. When Odin, the highest of all, into a slender serpent and burrowed into the cave where the mead was concealed. He used his godly charms on the frost giantess Gunhild, coaxing her for just 3 small sips of mead. But instead,
Now the sides here, they have all their information. Here's Loki's. Here's Thor's. And Odin's. Elsa and Anna. Alright, now we're heading into Mexico to ride the Three Caballeros ride. Looks like they decorated for Christmas in here as well. Alright, next up, Figment. The whole reason to come in the Figment building is to see Weebo from Flubber.
With your imagination.
Alright, now we are off to Soarin'. And it's only 10:45. Our favorite ride here at Epcot. Woohoo!
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
We've got the dividers in between the seats. And we're ready for takeoff. Next up, we're going in the Seas Pavilion and gonna ride Nemo. It is 11:30.
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
Nemo, where?
oh, that's why we're trying to find.
Find who?
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
snowman in here for the dolphins so that they can enjoy Christmas too. There she is. And in the tanks here for Christmas, they got some snowflakes for Dory and Nemo. And in this tank, they've got a little Christmas tree and a little penguin and a little snowman, ready for the holidays. And over here with the seahorses, they put up another Christmas tree, and you see the top is the starfish with their Christmas tree in the tank. And there's some seahorses there and some candy canes. Alright, so in this tank they got some Christmas ornaments hanging up to the lionfish.
Thanks for visiting us today. For the health
And there is the new fountain, you guys.
Cover your nose and
I believe they just took the walls down a couple of days ago. Today it's Christmas, so. Alright, for lunch we're going to try the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. Order is ready. Pick up at 3. Thank you. Alright, I got the Memphis dry rub pool grips. Yes, with onion rings for my side. Gary's got the chicken leg. And DJ's got the brisket sandwich. And during this time of year, Epcot does the Festival of the Holidays. Okay guys, we're here at Epcot and here's the Festival of Holidays booklet that you're going to get in the back. There is the places for all the holiday cookies. There's 5 cookies and then the 6th one is free. And here is a look at all the different types of cookies that you can get at the cookie stroll. So we're starting our holiday cookie stroll here in Epcot. And our first cookie, we have the black and white. It's between Morocco and France, right here in this building. And let's enjoy the black and white cookie. Next up, we're going to try the Beauty and the Beast sing-along. And here are some of the props from the live-action Beauty and the Beast. Alright, for Festival of the Holidays, in the World Show Place. In this building back here between the UK and Canada. Alright, so we're in the World Show Place and we are going to get the gingerbread cookie. Alright, our second cookie here is the gingerbread cookie that you can find in World Show Place.
It will be a very special Christmas for me. Here we have the sun of love. Joyful, joyful, Lord, we adore you. Glory, Lord, hearts are full like flowers before you. Hailing as the Son of God. Let the clouds sing and set the bright out of the
And here is some of the merchandise. Alright, next up we are in Canada. And we are here for the Peppermint Pinwheel cookie. Alright, so here is the Peppermint Pinwheel cookie. We just came out of Soren and Pooh is out. Hi Pooh Bear! I'm so excited to see you! Merry Christmas! in Germany and have the Linzer cookie. And this is our last cookie here in America.
The candles are burning low. One for each night they will shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.
And a free cookie from the cookie stroll. Okay everyone, it is Christmas night and we are going to have dinner here at the Garden Grill restaurant. Okay guys, we are just getting into Garden Grill and there's our friend. Hi Chip! How are you? Merry Christmas! Oh, I'm gonna give you hugs too. Hi Dale! Merry Christmas! How are you? Hi Mickey! Merry Christmas! Hi Pluto! Merry Christmas! Hey. So we've got starting off with our salad and our rolls, and he just said that he's going to be bringing out the mac and cheese and the gravy and the turkey and the stuffing and mashed potatoes holiday dinner, and it's just all you can eat. Alright, so here is our dinner. It is all you can eat. We got turkey, green beans, mashed potatoes, corn, and mac and cheese. Salad. This is the dessert. Strawberry turkey. And then right down there is the Living with the Land ride. Thank you.
To help us maintain
We were just at Garden Grill and now we're going to end the night here at Living with the Land and we're going to see the holiday overlay. Time for our subscriber shout out. Goes to Trippin' with Red. Thank you so much for subscribing and leaving your comments. Alright guys, we are finished with Epcot here for Christmas Day. We're going to take the Skyliner back and we're going to call it a night. So like, subscribe, and do all those things, and we'll see you next time.